Well, today, ladies and gentlemen, the old girl gets buffering. Good old-fashioned tea cut. Good old-fashioned buffing. It's coming up quite nicely. Look at her. Look at the shine. There you go. Stage 2 done with a bit of Carabana polish. She's looking good. A lot of the little imperfections are gone, little scratches. That looks much better. Excellent. Well, there you go, ladies and gentlemen. That's the results of a afternoon of mopping and polishing. Yeah, get that off. Done. Ironically, once I got it all nice and polished like this, and I have to say it's looking pretty good for an old car. I mean, come on. Something that's what, 15, 16 years old? Something like that. It's looking pretty good. But as I just finished this panel here, one of our lovely pigeons defecated here, right next to me. Yeah. I need a gun. Anybody's got a shotgun for sale? Let me know. We need to get rid of some pigeons. Either that or let the farmers start shooting them again. Bleeding vermin. Anyway, let's bet the pigeons all about the car. There you go. She's looking pretty good. So, yeah, like I say, hopefully I can get a few more days. I had the top down today, went for a drive. It was quite nice. But, yep, that's about it for now. She's going to get put up for sale this weekend. And, well, we'll see what the next one's going to be. Anyway, thanks for joining us. And subscribe, like, do all that wonderful stuff. Makes me feel a whole lot better. And I will see you for the next one. Bye all. Have a great weekend. Or a day. Or whenever you're watching this. Have a great time. Bye-bye.